If you want to create clean, bold 3D letters in Photopea, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're making a thumbnail, a poster, a banner, or just experimenting with text effects, this method gives you that sharp, dimensional look without needing advanced design software. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and start by creating your text. Go up to File, then click New and make a fresh canvas. You can use any size you want depending on your project, but a larger canvas is usually easier to work with while you're learning. Once your document is open, select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left. The shortcut is T, so this is a very quick step once you get used to it. Now choose a font that looks strong and thick. For 3D text, bold fonts work best because they hold up better once you start adding depth and shadow. Fonts like Impact or Bebas Neue are great options, but you can use any heavy font you prefer. Click on your canvas and type the letters you want to turn into 3D text. Keep it simple at first so you can clearly see how the effect works. After your text is in place, the next step is to convert it into a smart object. This is an important part of the process because it helps preserve quality and makes the effect easier to manage later. To do this, go to the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Find your text layer, right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Once you do that, Photopea wraps the text into a smart layer, which means it will stay sharp even if you resize or adjust it. This step matters because 3D effects often involve scaling, styling, and fine-tuning the shape of the text. If you keep it as a normal text layer, you may run into limits or quality issues depending on how you edit it. Converting it now gives you a cleaner workflow and more flexibility later on. Now it's time to add the 3D layer style. With your smart object selected, double-click the layer thumbnail in the Layers panel. That opens the Layer Style dialog box, where you can apply visual effects to the text. On the left side of that menu, look for the 3D option and check it. This is what activates the depth effect that turns flat letters into dimensional letters. Once the 3D option is enabled, you'll see settings appear for the extrusion. This is where the real magic happens. The extrusion is what creates the sidewalls and makes the letters look like they're coming off the page. Start by adjusting the angle. The angle controls the direction the 3D depth extends. You can rotate the dial to make the depth go down, right, straight down, or in another direction depending on the style you want. If you want a classic bold 3D look, a slight diagonal angle usually works really well. It gives the text more visual interest and makes it look more dynamic. Next, adjust the depth slider. This controls how thick the 3D effect appears. If the depth is too low, the letters may not look very dimensional. If it's too high, they can start to look overly bulky. The best approach is to move the slider slowly and watch the text update in real time until you find a thickness that looks balanced and professional. Then you'll want to set the color for the side walls. Click the color box and choose a shade that is a little darker than your main letter color. This is very important because darker side walls help create the illusion of shadow and depth. If the front of the text is bright, the side should usually be darker so the 3D effect feels more realistic. That contrast is what makes the letters pop. Take your time adjusting these settings. Small changes can make a big difference in how the final text looks. If you want a subtle 3D style, keep the depth moderate and the color only slightly darker. If you want a stronger, more dramatic 3D effect, increase the depth a bit more and use a deeper shadow tone on the side walls. Once everything looks right, click OK to apply the effect. Now your flat text has been turned into bold 3D letters inside Photopea. From here, you can continue customizing the design by changing the main color, adding a background, placing the text over an image, or combining it with other effects like shadows and highlights. If you want to make the text even more eye-catching, try layering additional style effects after this. For example, you can add a drop shadow to make the letters stand out more, or use a gradient on the front face for a more polished design. You can also duplicate the layer if you want to build up the effect further and create a stronger sense of depth. The key to getting great 3D text in Photopea is keeping things simple and clean. Use a bold font, convert it to a smart object, apply the 3D layer style, and then fine-tune the angle, depth, and color until it looks right. Once you understand this workflow, you can create all kinds of title text, logo style designs, and thumbnail graphics much faster. So that's how to make 3D letters in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. And if you want more Photopea tricks, stick around because I've got more step-by-step guides coming soon.